Good morning, happy Saturday. It's Saturday, y'all. So I'm running out. This store has 2 bunches of mustard greens for $1. And so I called the guy to ask him how they looked and everything. He told me that they're selling a case of them for $12. I would love to be able to get a couple of cases of them greens and fix their fire feeding, but that's a lot of work. Now, once I retire, I might do something like that because I could take a whole day, go to the church and clean them how I clean them, and go ahead and cook them down a little bit and just put them in big, you can get those jumbo freezer bags and put them in there until we get ready to feed. But like right now, the way I work, I don't really have time. And but anyway, that's where I'm headed. How's everybody doing? Welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm getting new subscribers slowly, and that's okay. Because I think when I get them slow, it's authentic. It's people have decided to watch for a reason. And then I know some videos I watch, you can see how you could post a video and somebody unsubscribe off of a particular video. But if a person unsubscribing from me and I'm talking about God and how he could change your life, then that's just not the person the Lord won't hit it. That's how I see it. But yeah, so also, I placed the order at Joann's. I'm going to pick up, getting ready to do a little spring stuff outside and inside. And I'm really starting my spring cleaning today. Really, before I can clean, I have to purge. Y'all know I told y'all I sell items online and stuff. So since the pandemic, I really just hadn't been in the mood to do it. But my house is I'm beginning to look like a hoarder. So I got to. So yeah, I got to go to Walmart too. Should I go there now? I'm going the way back, maybe. No, I better go get this now. Because when I get those greens, I don't want to keep them in the car too long. So I think, but if I don't go early getting the greens, I may not get any. They may have been sold out. I like to get up early on a Saturday and come and shop, but I got a new monitor. I think I had a stop sign and I kept going. No, I didn't. But I got a new monitor, another computer. So fun fact about me, I got an iMac and I got a Dell, 2 Dell computers now. But anyway, I learned this from my old assistant. She would get her computers off of Tiger Direct. There'll be like some companies, if y'all don't know, they get rid of their computers every year. And so I got a computer with terabyte of memory, 4 gigs of RAM, which I should have gotten one with more. But anyway, I didn't pay but like $150. But I needed another one, so when I went to go and get it, that company was out of Tiger Direct is now Insight. And they do a lot of business accounts. A lot of businesses use them. Anyway, but I just got to get the VGA card for my new monitor because I thought it would have come with it, but it didn't have an HMI. So I hope I'm getting the right thing. If not, I can bring it back. Hey y'all, today is Saturday, the first Saturday, March 2nd of, my aunt died on March 2nd in 1999. She died 10 days before her birthday. Whew, my favorite aunt. So many loved ones gone, y'all. God. Anyway, y'all, look, they had these bunches of greens too for $1. So I went ahead and just bought a whole case. I bought a whole case of mustard greens. So I'm gonna be picking it and washing and blanching greens today. I'm gonna put them up in bags. My daughter, when she come home from Houston, she loved my greens. So I have some greens. I really wish y'all, for real, I wish I could buy up a bunch of these and serve them with our feeding, but that just would be a lot of work. A lot. Anyway, they had the apples. Not my favorite kind of apples, but I got these at Gala. They were $1.99. If they real firm, I like them. But y'all know Cosmic, my favorite. I got my I went to go get my peanuts yesterday morning, so I got my apples already in my office for the week. They had these little mandarin oranges. These were, I think it's a 3-pound bag. I think they were $2.97. The Lay's, I got another pack of the Lay's where you get this for $2.50 off, so this was $1. I got this because I like this with my Chipotle bowls, and it's good until September. And, that saves $2.50. I got my son some more salami. He loved it. Take it and fry it till it's burnt on the sandwich. It's good. They had this chicken, y'all, this country fried chicken. Now, I don't like that chicken you get where the pieces be so big. This is not that big. 27 cents. If you're getting ready to have a big event, You can buy these and put them on the smoker. That is cheap. You can only get 3. But this is not at one of those stores where you have to show a card. So they can't, calculate. So you just go in there every day this week and get 3 of these each time you can. 4 of these is a case, right? Or get family members to go, but you got to have somewhere to store it. We having a reunion Labor Day weekend, but it's a little too early now because I don't have the space to store it until then. But if so, I would get it. I got me a little hog head cheese. I am really, really hungry. I got to eat something. I know this is not the healthiest, but I'm going to eat a little bit of that. I love this mild sausage here. I like it to make my pizzas. I make it in my dirty rice or just to have with breakfast. Y'all, Land O'Lakes butter, $2.97 a pound. That butter hadn't been this cheap, y'all, in a long, long time. This butter the other week, I wanted to get this for a cake or something I wanted to bake because this is the best butter in my opinion. Y'all, this was $6.99, $2.97. Y'all know I'm going to go get some more before the sale is over, right? I got 2 unsalted and 2 salted. I like the salted for like my, they tell you to do unsalted in your cakes, but for like my icing and stuff, I like this. Now, I really need to get some for our feeding for church this month. Oh, I might do that. I might get this and take it to church, put it in our freezer at church. Because when I bake my cakes, I have it, and it's the best butter. This is cheaper because this was $16. No. Yeah, it is. Because 3. This was $12. This is just about cheaper than it is for the Sam's butter. I got bell pepper. They were 67 cents. I got green, limes. They were 5 for $1. So I might do us another Chipotle bowl really, really soon. And then we had the potatoes are $2.97. I got 2 things of this, the roast. One of these I'm going to put on probably Wednesday morning because I got church. I didn't go. And then I got assorted pork chops. They went for $4. So I got that. And that's all I had. Y'all, this was $100. Well, I saved $100. This was $90-something. Because y'all know the greens of the week was $1.50. That's why I didn't get any. I had been wanting some greens forever and ever. So now that I got them that cheap, the only thing is I got to take them and do something with them today. I'm going to have to blanch them at least. Blanching them, all it is you cook them down, cool them, put them in a bag, put them in your freezer. And then what I do is I boil my meat and put my onion and seasoning and stuff in there. And then all I have to do is take them. I won't have to worry about doing them when I get ready to cook them, which I am going to cook some tomorrow. I think, y'all, I love my oven smothered chicken. I think that's what we're going to have tomorrow. Some oven smothered chicken with some mustard greens. When I do smothered chicken, I want rice, but I got some sweet potatoes. I usually do my sweet potatoes with pork, but I need to get rid of those sweet potatoes, and we just had pork the other night. And purple hull peas. That's kind of a weird combination, but something like that. I don't know. I'm going to see. I don't really need the peas or the greens. We'll see. Anyway, this is what I have, y'all. I will talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Much love. Bye. Hey, y'all. Sunday dinner is smothered. I just took the whole leg quarter and smothered it. I got mustard greens with smoked turkey necks. Candy yams, just a little rice here, and my son requested a chocolate cake. That's Sunday dinner. Be blessed. Bye.
I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love.